Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off autoplay on Telegram web, or how to turn off autoplay on Telegram on your laptop or PC or Mac. First, you're going to need to tap on the three dashes in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to select Settings. From here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Data and Storage. Then you'll scroll down all the way down and you'll see Autoplay Media. From here, you'll untick Videos. So you'll tap in the box right there. Then for GIFs, you'll tap in the box right there. And that's it. That's how to disable autoplay on Telegram on your laptop or PC. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.